Tesla Bot and Pepper are two advanced humanoid robots. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is designed for general-purpose automation and assistance. It walks, bends, lifts objects, and moves with balance. It uses cameras, sensors, and neural networks for object and environment recognition. It can handle repetitive tasks like picking up items, sorting, and carrying objects. Pepper is a humanoid social robot focused on human interaction and engagement. It can recognize human emotions. It uses facial recognition and tone analysis to detect emotions. It speaks multiple languages and interacts naturally. It moves around using wheels and obstacle avoidance. It learns user preferences and adjusts interactions accordingly. Tesla Optimus has articulated fingers for grasping and using tools. It learns and improves through Tesla's self-learning AI system. It is used in household chores, manufacturing assistance, and personal companionship. Tesla Optimus is still in development, but its goal is to assist in labor-intensive tasks and work in factories or homes. Pepper is used in customer service, education, and healthcare settings. It plays games, tells stories, and teaches languages. It can greet customers, answer frequently asked questions, and provide product recommendations, enhancing customer experience. It can serve as a friendly assistant and conversation partner for the elderly. Pepper is mainly designed for social interaction, customer service, and educational environments, while Tesla Optimus is focused on automation and practical labor.